Ever spent 12 hours juggling lease terms only to lose a deal because your market data was outdated by 3 weeks? The Commercial Lease Pack gives you dynamic lease term comparison matrices to spot deal breakers instantly, an interactive TI cost calculator that auto adjusts for local permitting fees, real time market heat maps with submarket vacancy trends, and AI powered clause risk analyzers that flag hidden liabilities brokers miss. This isn't your rookie year anymore. We're talking to seasoned commercial brokers, lease negotiators, and real estate analysts who need to close faster than a Manhattan rent spike. With this pack, you're not just signing leases, you're dominating markets. Here's what's inside the commercial lease pack: data normalization with vacancy rate trend overlays, dynamic term sheet generation with auto populated walkthrough clauses, tenant improvement modeling using material cost APIs and union wage databases, risk analysis with jurisdiction specific legal precedent checks, lease administration automation for renewal triggers and ASC 842 compliance. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't a tool set, it's your new competitive edge. Installing the commercial lease pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add commercial-lease-pack. That's it. You get the full workflow, all 7 modules, 23 templates, and 150 plus market benchmarks. No PhD in YAML required. Just drop it into your next Claude code session and watch your AI assistant suddenly know the difference between base year stops and CPI caps. Your lease negotiations just got a 3x speed boost. Now go make that "I need this yesterday" deal your easiest win yet.